Welcome back to Adventurite. Today we are discussing fall hiking safety. As the air turns crisp, the leaves change colors, and bugs take a back seat, the fall season beckons us to explore the great outdoors. But remember, safety is paramount. Let's delve into some key tips to ensure your fall hiking experience is not only enjoyable but safe. Let's kick things off with key takeaways. Consider the earlier sunset and potential early snowstorms when planning. Check the weather forecast and pack appropriate cold weather clothing and essential gear. Opt for bright colors for visibility, especially in hunting areas. Navigate fallen leaves with care and be aware of changing trail conditions. Exercise caution in areas with wildlife such as moose, bears, or other large mammals. When it comes to staying safe during fall hikes, planning is your best ally. Begin by checking the weather and choosing destinations wisely. Fall weather can be unpredictable, so flexibility is key. Now let's dive into some safety tips. Fall hikes demand meticulous planning. With earlier sunsets and variable weather, ensure you have enough daylight and stay updated on the forecast. Inform someone about your plans, providing details on your destination and expected return time. Dress not only for warmth but also for visibility. Bright colors not only add vibrancy but also make you easily noticeable, a crucial factor in areas where hunting might be taking place. Pack smartly with the 10 essential items, including first aid, extra food, water, spare socks, and rain gear. Adjust your pack based on the weather forecast and hike duration, always preparing for unexpected challenges. Despite the cooler temperatures, staying hydrated is vital. Drink water regularly to prevent dehydration, even if you don't feel as thirsty as during warmer months. Fallen leaves can hide potential hazards, so pay extra attention to the trail. Nut-bearing trees can create slippery conditions, especially on hillsides. Tread cautiously, taking smaller steps for stability. Fall is a bustling time for wildlife. In areas with moose, bears, or other large animals, make some noise to alert them to your presence. Respect their space and exercise caution. Pushing limits is exciting, but safety comes first. Stay vigilant to changing conditions and don't hesitate to turn back if weather or trail challenges escalate. Prioritize your safety for an enjoyable hiking experience. By following these tips, your fall hikes can be both safe and warm. Happy hiking!